This is AURORA Lite, a business-level high-precision laser marking machine. Powered by a robust 50-wattage laser, AURORA Lite is capable of deep engraving, intricate 3D carving, and even slicing through aluminum sheets with ease. It's designed for high speed of 7,000 mm/s, which boosts your productivity and generate remarkable result. The high precision of 0.026 meter is perfect for delicate engraving and marking tasks. Another standout feature of AURORA Lite is color engraving. You can deliver vibrant and detailed results that bring your designs to life. With the 360-degree rotary function, your creativity is not limited to flat objects, but also various cylindrical objects, such as tumbler, rings, etc. Using the fixtures, AURORA Lite helps position items during batch marking processes, enhancing the marking efficiency. The new pass-through feature makes extra-long material marking very easy, so your potential applications are vast. It's crafted with durable components, weighing 72.5 kilograms, which maintains stable operation even during high-speed marking processes. The design service life is up to 100,000 hours. AURORA Lite, the epitome of speed, precision, and power, redefines business-level marking laser. Choose AURORA Lite for a professional, enduring partnership that drives consistent profitability. Unleash your productivity and expand your business with Thunder Laser.